Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can stretch a video in Capcut PC. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So for whatever reason you want to go and stretch a video, a photo, or another piece of media in Capcut, first of all, open the Capcut app in your PC and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Then all you need to do is go and select a video in your timeline and then head to the top right. Make sure the video is selected, and then what you need to do is locate uniform scale and go over to the right and switch it off. You'll then go and see that you've got scale width and scale height. And what you can then do is click on it and drag it. As you can see, you can stretch it or you can go and do the opposite as well. And then what you can do is also stretch the height as well by dragging this up. And as you can see, you're stretching the video. So that's basically how you can stretch a video in Capcut PC. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.